Africa's financial system is changing. It's happening deeper than mobile money or fintech apps. The very architecture of how money moves is being rebuilt from the ground up. Underneath the visible layers are payment systems, clearing networks, and central banks. These institutions determine how savings are transformed into investment across the continent. In Central Africa, CEMAC has officially upgraded to SYSTAC2. This is the regional clearing system for retail payments, now built on the international ISO 20022 messaging standard. This technical migration means richer data, better security, and higher efficiency. For the consumer, it's invisible. For the financial system, it is a structural revolution. Then there is BEAC's entry into PAPSS, the Pan-African Payment and Settlement System. This connects CEMAC to a wider continental financial network for cross-border trade. The core promise of PAPSS is direct settlement in local currencies. This reduces the dependency on offshore hard currency and lowers the cost of doing business across borders. While payments get the headlines, government securities markets are equally critical. Cameroon and CEMAC are raising capital directly from investors through BTA and longer-term bonds. Investors must look past speculation and understand fixed income. Maturity, yield, and sovereign credit risk are the foundations of modern financial operations. In West Africa, we're seeing large businesses access public markets. Major IPOs like the Dangote Refinery show how companies can raise equity directly from a wider group of investors. A public listing broadens ownership and reduces dependence on bank lending. But remember, a large IPO isn't an automatic win. You have to assess valuation and business risk. A public listing broadens ownership and reduces dependence on bank lending. But remember, a large IPO isn't an automatic win. You have to assess valuation and business risk. Telecoms are also becoming financial platforms. Companies like MTN are moving from distribution into fintech, challenging the traditional role of banks. Insurance is the final piece. Institutions like ATD are providing political risk and credit insurance, making massive infrastructure projects finally bankable. Think about the chain. Households save, pension funds accumulate, and insurance companies collect premiums. A strong system moves those savings toward productive investment. Financial literacy isn't just a personal goal, it's an economic development issue. We need a system where infrastructure is matched by understanding. For the diaspora, the opportunity is larger than remittances. It's about participating in regulated African investment, insurance, and business financing, SYSTAC2, PASS, IPOs, and insurance guarantees. These are not separate stories. They are the components of a new unified African financial architecture. At Seatedwit, we view this infrastructure as the raw material for building an autonomous financial fortress. It is the architectural design of wealth. By understanding the invisible layers, how money is cleared and settled, investors can improve their judgment and avoid the structural risks of the old systems. For the global diaspora, this is the ownership opportunity. It is a transition from sending remittances to becoming structured builders of wealth in their home markets. This starts with understanding. Our Wealth Foundation 101 Feet system is designed to transform you into a structured builder of this new economic reality. The system is changing. The question is whether you are prepared to build within it. Research, educate, empower. This is Seatedwit Intelligence. Subscribe for the verified intelligence you need to navigate Africa's changing financial architecture.